let's take a look at this interior room on Aloha 522. Now with Princess's Medallion Network, it's easier than ever to get into your stateroom by using your Princess Medallion. Walking into the stateroom, you're welcomed by a king-size bed, which is amazingly soft, like sleeping on a cloud. The desk area is very spacious and has all your outlets that you need, from American to European to British. Also has a nice mini fridge where you can keep everything cold, and right beside has amazing storage where you can keep all your mentionables. And both bedside tables have ample storage space, and the lamps have USB ports where you can charge your phone. Now I've traveled on a few cruises before and had a couple of inside cabins, but this one, I must say, has quite a lot of storage areas and a lot of hangers to hang up all your amazing outfits. And with a nice sized washroom, you have enough space to make yourself even more beautiful. The only downside is the shower curtain, but it does its job. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't yet, head down below, hit that subscribe button, and I'm going to see y'all next time here on Nick Tours.